Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Power steering fluid, essential maintenance for smoother drives. Ever wondered why your car steers so smoothly? Thanks to the unsung hero under the hood, power steering fluid. Regular maintenance of this essential fluid isn't just a checklist item. It's vital for ensuring your steering system operates at peak performance. By keeping your power steering fluid in check, you're enhancing your vehicle's responsiveness and extending the lifespan of its steering components. Let's dive into why this service should never be sidelined and how it can save you from future headaches and costly repairs. What is power steering fluid? Power steering fluid is a crucial component in a vehicle's steering system, playing a vital role in enabling drivers to maneuver their cars more easily. It serves as a hydraulic fluid that transmits power to the steering mechanism, assisting in the movement of the steering wheel with reduced effort. Composition of power steering fluid. Power steering fluid typically comprises a blend of additives, base oils, and other elements designed to enhance its lubricating and anti-wear properties. Additives such as antioxidants and anti-wear agents help protect the system from corrosion and breakdown, ensuring smooth operation. Base oils provide the necessary viscosity for proper lubrication, allowing the fluid to flow effectively within the system. Signs of low power steering fluid. Recognizing the signs of low power steering fluid is essential for maintaining the health of your vehicle's steering system. Common symptoms include unusual noises, like squealing or whining, when turning the steering wheel, indicating insufficient lubrication. Difficulty in steering, especially at lower speeds or when parking, can also point to low fluid levels. Be vigilant for any signs of fluid leaks, which may manifest as puddles beneath the vehicle or around the power steering components. By understanding the composition of power steering fluid and recognizing the signs of low levels, you can safeguard your vehicle's steering performance and address any issues promptly to ensure optimal functionality. Importance of power steering fluid service. Regular power steering fluid service is crucial for maintaining the optimal performance of your vehicle's steering system. Neglecting this essential maintenance task can lead to expensive repairs and safety risks. Let's look at the reasons why staying on top of your power steering fluid service is key. Benefits of regular power steering fluid maintenance. Improved steering response. Timely power steering fluid changes help maintain smooth and responsive steering, ensuring better control over your vehicle, especially in challenging driving conditions. Extended component lifespan. Fresh power steering fluid helps lubricate the system's components, reducing wear and tear and prolonging the lifespan of crucial parts like the pump and steering rack. Prevention of system failures. By regularly checking and changing the power steering fluid, you can avoid system failures that may result from contaminated or degraded fluid, preventing costly repairs down the line. Service interval recommendations. It is recommended to check your power steering fluid level regularly, ideally every time you change your engine oil. Most vehicle manufacturers advise changing the power steering fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or every 2 to 4 years, depending on your driving habits and the specific recommendations for your make and model. Following these guidelines will help ensure the continued smooth operation of your steering system and prevent potential issues that could arise from neglected maintenance. Remember, proper care and maintenance of your power steering fluid can go a long way in preserving the integrity of your vehicle's steering system and avoiding costly repairs in the future. Stay proactive and stay safe on the road by prioritizing your power steering fluid service. Power steering fluid check and top up. Performing a DIY power steering fluid check and top-up can help maintain the health of your vehicle's power steering system. What are the essential tools and step-by-step instructions for this task? Tools and materials needed. To begin the process, gather the following tools and materials: funnel gloves and power steering fluid suitable for your car's make and model. Having these items on hand will ensure a smooth and efficient power steering fluid check and top-up. Step-by-step instructions. Locate the power steering fluid reservoir. Begin by identifying the power steering fluid reservoir under the hood of your vehicle. It is typically a small plastic or metal container located near the engine. Check the fluid level. With the engine off, remove the reservoir cap and use a clean cloth to wipe the dipstick clean. Insert the dipstick back into the reservoir, then remove it to check the fluid level. Ensure the level falls between the min and max markers on the dipstick. Add fluid as needed. If the fluid level is below the min marker, use the funnel to slowly add the appropriate power steering fluid to the reservoir. Be cautious not to overfill, as this can lead to system issues. By following these simple steps, you can easily check your power steering fluid levels and top up if necessary, ensuring your vehicle's steering system functions optimally. Remember to adhere to safety precautions and best practices throughout the process. Professional power steering fluid service. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's power steering system, seeking professional assistance for comprehensive power steering fluid services can make a world of difference. Let's see the essential aspects of professional power steering fluid service, highlighting the expertise of technicians and the thoroughness of the provided service. Diagnostic inspection. A professional power steering fluid service kicks off with a diagnostic inspection conducted by a certified mechanic. This crucial step involves a comprehensive assessment of the power steering system's condition to identify any underlying issues. By entrusting this task to a skilled professional, you ensure that any potential problems are detected early on, preventing costly repairs down the road. Fluid flush and replacement. One of the key components of a professional power steering fluid service is the fluid flush and replacement process. This entails draining the old, possibly degraded fluid from the system, thoroughly flushing out any contaminants, and refilling it with fresh, high-quality power steering fluid. This meticulous procedure helps maintain optimal performance and prolong the lifespan of your power steering system. By entrusting your vehicle to capable hands for a power steering fluid service, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your power steering system is in top-notch condition. The expertise of certified technicians ensures a thorough inspection and service that goes beyond mere fluid replacement, ultimately enhancing the efficiency and longevity of your power steering system. Regular power steering fluid service is a crucial aspect of maintaining a vehicle steering system. By ensuring the power steering fluid is clean and at the appropriate level, you can prevent issues such as difficulty in steering, unusual noises, or leaks that could lead to more significant problems down the road. Prioritizing routine maintenance, including power steering fluid checks and changes, can significantly extend the lifespan of your vehicle and contribute to a safer and more efficient driving experience. Remember, taking care of your car's power steering system not only enhances performance but also enhances your safety on the road. Make it a habit to schedule regular maintenance checks and address any power steering concerns promptly. By doing so, you're not only protecting your investment in your vehicle but also prioritizing your safety and the safety of others on the road. Stay proactive in caring for your vehicle, and you'll enjoy a smooth and worry-free driving experience for miles to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.